fun. First question. Amazing start! It's a hamburger. Can you guess the food by the emoji? The answer is potato chips. Do you know about this food? Correct! This food is a sandwich. What is the name of this food? You guessed it right! Donut! Choose your gift. Gift 1. Write your name and your birthday, and we'll honor you and say happy birthday to you in the next video. Gift 2. Press the like button 3 times and write your name. We'll honor you in our next video. Can you identify the food represented by these emojis? That's right! It's an onion ring! What about this? The answer is hot dog! What is this food called? It's an ice cream! Can you tell Coco the name of this food? Pizza! This food is very popular with kids. Can you guess it? Yes, it's jelly beans! Let's test your observation skills. Can you find the odd one? The odd one is located in the first row. What is your guess? You guessed it right! Cheesecake! Can you guess this one? Correct! This food is pancakes! Tell Coco your options. What is this? Domino's Pizza! Do you have any ideas? The answer is French fries. Would you rather what do you think of this food?